In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gaming subscriptions. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, purchasing a gaming subscription can open up a whole new world of gaming experiences, offering access to exclusive content, games, and features. Let's get started with a step-by-step process to ensure you make the right choices. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a platform. Now, this is crucial as gaming subscriptions are specific to the platform you use. You might find yourself choosing between popular options like PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Nintendo. Think about the console or service you use most often and take it from there. Once you've decided on the platform, navigate to its official store or app. For instance, if you've chosen PlayStation, head to the PlayStation Store. If Xbox is your choice, you'll be going to the Microsoft Store, and so on. Make sure you are on the legitimate site or app to ensure the security of your personal details. Next, sign into your account. This step is fundamental because all your gaming activities and purchases will be tied to this account. Logging in allows you to access personalized recommendations and exclusive offers. If you don't have an account yet, it's time to set one up, as it's usually a quick and straightforward process. After signing in, find the section that displays subscription plans. Depending on your platform, it might be labeled as PS Plus, Xbox Game Pass, Nintendo Online, or something similar. Explore the available options to see what aligns with your gaming preferences and needs. When you've settled on a subscription service, you'll need to select your plan type. Generally, options are available on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis. Consider how often you play and what makes sense for your budget. A yearly plan might save you money in the long run, but a monthly plan offers more flexibility without a long-term commitment. Now it's time to enter your payment method. Most platforms accept a variety of payment options, such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or even a gift card if you prefer not to link a credit card. Choose the method that best suits your preference and input your details. Finally, you'll be prompted to click Confirm or Subscribe. Take a moment to review your selection to ensure everything is accurate, then go ahead and click to complete your purchase. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy all the benefits that come with your new gaming subscription. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process for buying gaming subscriptions. Don't forget to explore all of the exciting features and games now at your fingertips. Enjoy your gaming journey and make the most of your new subscription. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy gaming!